Good morning guys! Tayo po'y gagawa ng homemade siomai. Ito po yung pinaka-paborito naming minsan ulam, minsan snack. Let's go guys! Tikman po natin ang homemade siomai. Dahil pag bibili ka sa labas, naku, sobrang mahal. Kaya let's make it for our own. Ito po ay minced pork with carrots, onion. Lagyan ko konting cabbage para manamis-mamis. At tikpan po natin mamaya guys. I hope you like it and enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. It's yummy siomai. Siomai king. Bye-bye. Thank you.